Why choose ETI among many control panel cooler brands? First, ETI has been committed to the research and development of control panel coolers, with independent intellectual property rights and technological patents. The products are known for their stability and environmental durability, making them suitable for various industrial environments. Energy-efficient operation is a significant feature of ETI control panel coolers, effectively reducing energy consumption and saving electricity costs. Our products hold multiple quality certifications, such as 3C, C, and RoHS, meeting international standards for quality, environmental protection, and safety. ETI also has a comprehensive technical support and after-sales service system, ensuring that any issues encountered during the operation of the equipment are resolved promptly, greatly reducing maintenance costs for users.